Hey guys, welcome to Tech TV. Today I have a special unboxing for you guys. It is the Galaxy Note 9 and I have it in my hands. And in this video I'll be showing you the box content and whatever the phone has to offer. So we have two packaging. When we remove the first layer we get another box. There is the content inside the box. So after we open the box you can see that there we have the phone itself. And now after taking out the phone, the reason why the phone is on is guys because I have already taken out the phone and used it for a couple of minutes, and so that's the reason why it's like that. So keeping the phone aside, we can see the rest of the content inside the box. So we have a SIM ejector tool and a TPU case included inside the box. That is a good thing that Samsung is doing. Only Chinese manufacturers were doing this, but now lately Samsung has also been doing it. That's a good thing, and the case seems to be of a good quality. And the other content that are inside the box is the charger, the quick charger, and there is another headphones, the AKG headphones that you have been getting from the Galaxy S8. And the quick charger is almost the same as the ones we saw on the Galaxy S9. It has adaptive fast charging technology that is present in the phone, in the charger, and we get the USB Type-C cable, data syncing and charging cable, and then we get some additional earbuds for the AKG headsets, and we get a S Pen tip removal tool, and we get the Type-C to Type-A converter that Samsung always includes in their case. So let's take a look at the smartphone itself. You can see that the phone is actually really good looking. It is looking almost the same as the Galaxy Note 8, and the case actually fits perfectly inside, and the S Pen color is of yellow. That is a really good accent to put on an S Pen. Usually the S Pen was the same color as the phone, black or white. Now it's actually yellow, so that is a really good thing. And the S Pen feels really good to write on the phone, and the phone itself looks fabulous. The display is one of the major highlights of the Galaxy Note 9. You can see the dual camera setup on the back, which is horizontally set up in the smartphone prior to the vertically placed one on the Galaxy Note 8. So the Note 8 to the Note 9, there is a lot of difference internally, but the software wise both the phones looks almost identical. There is no particular change in the UI elements. There are some changes with the S Pen features, but the overall software remains the same. If you have used the previous Galaxy Note 8, you will feel like you are using the same smartphone. And the phone runs on Android 8.1 Android Oreo out of the box, and you'll surely get update to the Android Pie. And you can see that the security informations, the bandwidth, Android version, etc. in this about menu. So the next thing that I want to check out is how fast the phone runs. So the camera has seen a lot of improvements, especially in the video side. The camera has improved a lot in the video side, but for photos the camera remains the same. It is almost similar to the Galaxy S9 Plus's camera. And for the selfies, yes, the quality of the selfies is top notch compared to every other smartphone that has been released till date, but it doesn't do any sort of software processing like the ones we see on the Chinese smartphones like Huawei and other smartphones like Vivo and Oppo. And the S Pen is the main highlight of this smartphone. The S Pen, it is similar to the last generation S Pen, but it has additional Bluetooth connectivity option in the S Pen itself. It is powered by its own battery, and it gets charged in less than 30 seconds, and you get a whole 40 minutes of usage out of it. So that is a really great feature, and you can use the S Pen to take selfies as well as you can use it while showing a presentation or change the slides. So that is a really welcoming addition with the S Pen. It adds a lot of functionality to the smartphone. So that is one of the main highlighting features of the S Pen. I will be showing you how to take selfies with the S Pen later on in this video. So yes, you can see that if I take the S Pen out and click the button, you can take selfies without even touching the smartphone. This is particularly useful for taking selfies while you are in a group, or if you are placing your smartphone on a tripod and you want to incorporate a lot of guys in your selfies. This will actually work perfectly. So that is about it with the S Pen, and now let's see what other specs and features the phone has to offer. So the phone doesn't seem laggy. It does have the top-notch Android, and it does have the top-notch specs that anyone could buy on 2018, and the price is pretty high, but Samsung smartphones are generally a bit laggy compared to stock Android, and I generally don't like the Samsung UI. I prefer the stock UI over Samsung. And the battery life, the Note 9 has a 4000 mAh battery, and you get around 2 hours screen on time with 25%, so that translates to around 10 hours of screen on time. So that is a wonderful battery life for the Note 9. So you can see the pictures, and I've taken pictures of or screenshots of the Note 9's battery details. I've been using it for a couple of hours, and this is the kind of battery life I get. But it is to be noted that the battery life would come down gradually. But even so, the battery life is really great on the Galaxy Note 9 as of now. We'll have to test it out intensively to check if the battery life is right or wrong. So that's it, guys. And coming to the next part, we can see that this is the video recorded from the front facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9. I will let you be the judge. I'm not gonna comment on anything, but for me personally, the video looked a bit washed out, but still the quality of the video is top notch. It was shot on a low light environment. It was in my gym, and the light was really low. And the next, I'm gonna show you the back facing camera. The one great thing that I noticed in this video was the stabilization. The stabilization of the back camera and the front camera was top notch. That is one of the main things that we miss on budget smartphones, the stabilization. The stabilization on the Galaxy Note 9 is perfect, almost perfect. It looks like I'm using a gimbal to shoot this video. Actually, I'm shooting it handheld. You can see it from the mirror itself. I'm actually walking with the smartphone in my hand. And the selfies, I will show some samples of my selfies which I took from the gym. The quality of the photos are really nice. You can see the individual hair on my face, facial hair. That is one of the main highlights of the smartphone. It's really sharp, and the bokeh mode also is good, but it's not that the depth of field is not that big, but the edge detection seems to work perfectly. There are a bit of noise in the in the pictures, but Samsung has done a good job at cleaning it up with software processing. This was all shot on a very low lit situation, an indoor situation, and the time was at around 8 p.m, so there was no sunlight, so it was all shot on indoor lighting situation. The phone actually performed really good on camera sides, and I really enjoyed the video taking capabilities of the Galaxy Note 9. So that's it for today, guys, and if you want to see me play Fortnite on the Galaxy Note 9, please do let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.